Hello mathematicians, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to multiply by 125, 1250 and 12,500. This is going to be very fast and it's a very simple trick. Alright, let's dive into it. Okay, so I'm first going to read the paragraph and like my usual videos, I'm going to say step 1, which is step 2, which is step 3. So let's move on. To multiply by 125, 1250 or 12,500, first, divide your number by 8. That's step 1. Then multiply that result by 1,000. I'm going to write an arrow over there. Step 2. And then finally add no zeros for 125. Add 1 zero for 1,250. Add 2 zeros for 12,500. So that is step 3. Might not make sense yet, but we'll dive into it as we solve. So the rule is simple. We first divide by 8, then multiply that result by 1,000, regardless of if it's 1,250, 12,500. You have to multiply 1,000. However, if it's 1,250, you add 1 zero. And a trick to remember that is that 1,250 has 1 zero. So you just remember, add 1 zero because 1,250 has a zero. I have to add 2 zeros for 12,500 because it has 2 zeros. Moving on. 125 times 96. First step, divide 96 by 8. We get 12. And then we multiply by 1,000, which will give us 12,000. And since we have to add no zeros, this is our answer. 12,000. Moving on. 1,250 times 33. Well, we first divide that by 8. So now what we do is we go into 33 divided by 8, which will give us 4.125. So now what we do is we shift the decimal point 3 times because you multiply by 1,000. So we go 1, 2, 3, and you drop the decimal. So your answer, well, that's not your answer yet because it's 1,250. So you have to shift it one more time or add another 0. So after all that mess is gone, your answer would be 41250. So now we circle that value and that's your answer. Alright, let's move on. So now it's time for practice. Pause the video and try these by yourself. Okay, so hopefully you've done that and now let's move on. So we first divide this by 8. We get 11. We add 2 zeros. 3 zeros because multiply by 1,000, and your answer should be 11,000. Moving on, we do the same method, divide by 8, and after you do that long division, you should get 12.125, and what we do is we multiply 1,000, which shifts the decimal point 3 times, and then so let me write that number first, 12,125, and then we have to add a 0 because it's 1,250. 1,250 we're multiplying, so we add that 0, and your answer should be 121,250. So circling that over here. And your next question is 12,500 times 49. Well, when you divide this value by 8, you should get 6.125, and then you shift the decimal point 3 times because you multiply by 1,000 and add 2 zeros to that value. So 6,125 will now become 612,500. Let me put those 2 zeros. That's a 5, mind you. So 6,000, let me just rewrite that. I'm going to rewrite it over here. 612,500. That's your answer. So hopefully we got them all right. Let's check the answer key. Yep, we got them all right. Well, this was a short and fast video because this trick is very simple. Divide by 8, multiply by 1,000, add the number of zeros. 125, 1,250, or 12,500 hands. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions or want some other types of content. Goodbye.